methods I got. Alright, so when I'm using this regular all hair thing, this is what the size of my puff's like. Like a little bun. And this is how I used to wear my hair too, really thinking I had a puff. No, that's not it. Now we're gonna do the shoestring method.
Wow.
What you're gonna do is just take any type of shoestring, you're gonna put it at the front of your head, tie it at the back. You're gonna push the front just a little bit, because the farther back you push the front, the smaller the puff's gonna be. So I'm just gonna push it a little bit, and you're really just gonna focus on bringing the back up. Then you really just tighten. Go tighter, anything, but that looks good. Then you're just gonna wrap it around, tie it again, so you don't want your puff come to loose, and just keep wrapping it around, and then you're gonna tie it at the back, and then boom. Now this is a puff. I don't know what that other thing was, but this is a puff. Like, that little bun was not cutting it for me. And then yeah, the second trick, we're gonna be using one of these. And for this one, I actually start my hair in a regular puff, and I'll wrap this around. I'm gonna bring it around. It's easier to go over this bun than going over all my hair. So I'm gonna make sure to bring it all the way to not even my hair yet. I'm just gonna bring it, put it on my forehead. Then I'm gonna take my hair back out, take it some volume at least. Then you're just gonna push, and then you're just gonna start feeling it go up. Like, look at that. And now you can't tell me this ain't bigger. Like, the other one was like this little circle. This is a puff. This is what it's supposed to look like. Like, I don't know what that was, or none of that, but this is way bigger. This is the puff right here.